Alright, we got the souped up grass mower on the one side and the regular golf cart on the other. Let's see who wins the race. There comes Randy in the tail. We got the four-wheeler golf cart on the right, and on the left we have the regular electric golf cart. They're going to race. Let's see who wins. Giving the regular golf cart a little bit of a head start. Oh, here he comes. Oh, still takes it on a landslide. We got the golf cart with a 400cc ATV engine and the regular ATV. Gonna race. Let's see who wins. Okay.